Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're diving into a topic that's both practical and transformative: how to organize your room. Now you might be thinking, organizing is just tidying up, right? But it's so much more than that. Picture this: walking into a room so cluttered it feels like a storm just hit it, versus stepping into a space that feels calm and collected, almost like your personal sanctuary.
Wait, did you just say a storm hit it? That sounds intense. Haha, I've definitely felt that chaotic vibe before. So how do you even start with organizing? What would you recommend?
Great question. First things first, you have to let every item in your space know it has its specific place. Think of it like a game of musical chairs. When the music stops, each item should know where to go. You can begin by using storage boxes to contain smaller items.
Oh, I love that idea. Musical chairs for your stuff. Ha! But what if, everything just feels overwhelming? How many storage boxes do I even need? Should I count my shoes too?
It's all about progress over perfection. Personally, I do a little cleanup every day. This way, my room doesn't turn into a total war zone. Imagine doing mini cleans, like in video games, where you level up gradually instead of trying to defeat the entire game at once. Also, I always make my bed in the morning. It sets a tidy tone for the day.
Haha, yes. Setting a tone for the day. I can totally see myself playing a game called Make My Bed and Win the Day. But, do you ever struggle with keeping everything organized?
Definitely. The toughest part is often our emotional attachment to items. It's a bit like that favorite band from high school you still listen to, filled with nostalgia. But do you really need those old t-shirts taking up space? I try to let go of things that don't serve a purpose. It's like decluttering your mind, too.
Wow, that's a cool analogy. It's like some things just need to be left in the past, right? Do you have any systems you use to keep everything in check? Maybe a secret organizational wizard?
Absolutely. Labels are my best friends. It might sound a bit over the top, but labeling boxes can save tons of time when you're searching for something. You don't want to dig around like you're on a treasure hunt every time you need something.
Haha, labels. I can totally imagine a box that says mystery objects. I bet I'd uncover some bizarre treasures in there. But what about your workspace? How do you keep it from turning into a disaster zone?
Great point. A clean workspace is crucial. I only keep the daily essentials on my desk. You know how when you're cooking, you clear the counter space? It's the same idea. Just push all the unnecessary things to the side. Make space for what truly matters.
Speaking of cooking, I've got to ask, are there things that just times always end up messy no matter what? My kitchen counter seems to multiply dishes overnight. It's a real-life horror show.
Ha! Yes! The notorious kitchen counter chaos. It can turn into a black hole for dirty dishes, right? My strategy is to clean as you go. Honestly, setting a timer for just 5 minutes every night can work wonders.
Genius! Just 5 minutes? That's like less than an episode of my favorite show. Okay, I'm sold. I'm totally going for this cleaning reset.
Exactly. Just imagine waking up to a clean room, more space for creativity, focus, and productivity. It's like hitting the reset button every night before bed.
Oh man, that sounds so refreshing. I really need to work on that. So how do you keep that vibe going long term? Any tips to sustain the organization after the big clean?
Great final point. Incorporating small daily habits is key. Just like watering plants, if you neglect them, they'll wilt, right? A few minutes here and there, putting things back where they belong. Eventually, it becomes second nature.
Got it. So it's like this ongoing little care routine for my environment. This is brilliant. But before you wrap up, one last thing. Does having an organized room really change how you feel?
Absolutely. A tidy space does wonders for your mental clarity. It's like when you clear out your inbox. Suddenly, you can breathe easier. Trust me. An organized room can become your happy place, promoting peace and productivity.
Wow, you've totally flipped my perspective here. Thanks for all these tips and, all the wild analogies, haha. I feel like I can take on my messy room now.
My pleasure. Remember, a clean room equals a clean mind. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning all about these life-changing ideas and tricks.
Yes, I'm definitely subscribing. Until next time, happy organizing. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Can't wait to hear about your organizing adventures.
See you next episode.